Hello guys, so we are at the workshop where Tad Motors makes or build these vehicles. The interesting thing is that the steel used to build this vehicle was bought here in Kenya. Only the ECU, the battery managed system, and other components that are electronic came from China. But everything that you see here, the body has been made here. What they did is a thing that has not happened a lot with many assemblers in Kenya. Because what they did is they got the some parts and then they copied or printed some of these copies locally and then put them together. So this is a notch higher above the usual assembling that we are used to with many others that are coming in with, you know, CKDs and SKDs and assembling them here. Apart from the lights and other components that are very electronic, the side mirrors, the sensors, like what you can see over here, those are the ones that are coming from China. But everything else that you see, it has been acquired locally. Let's see how this car drives. Okay, so the car is very rudimentary. It is very basic. But it's a moment of pride for me because we can say that this is authentically Kenyan. But whatever is happening with the technology, in terms of whatever you can see, the screens, in terms of the BMS and everything else that you can see over here, this is coming from China. But underneath, the chassis of this car is locally acquired steel. And these are the things that we keep talking about. It is very hard for China to relinquish most of the manufacturing. But African countries and innovators have to start coming up with solutions that keep their economies growing. And this is one of those examples that it is possible to build local, but we have to start somewhere. That somewhere is with Tad Motors. They are showing us the way. And in 5 years, I can't wait to see what will come out of this organization when we are saying, oh, now we have a fully built Kenyan EV. The only thing that we got from China is the battery because we had to work with CATL or with BYD because their batteries are the best in the world. Let's feel how this car drives. Okay. Let me tell you. Oh, and by the way, you have to brake and then step on the red thing, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, like that?
Yes.
Now we are good. It has to click so that you know that you're safe. The workforce behind this is Kenyan. And the technology is Chinese. So there is a way that we have to merge these two. We have to merge the Kenyan skill and expertise with the Chinese skill and expertise to build something. This car, out there, people will call it Chinese until they get to the point of understanding that we can build something as Kenyans. And this is what we have done. I am so proud that we are at this moment. Tad Motors is the first Kenyan company to put together a vehicle using locally sourced steel. And they are going to advance this and move on to the next level. Until we get to a point whereby we can produce our own batteries. But for the short term, of course, the batteries will be coming from China. The components that can be substituted and produced locally, Tad Motors will be doing that incrementally and as we go along. These are the first prototypes, if we may call them that. And all of these are being built here. They are being done here. Imagine what more can be achieved if this was government-backed, like fully. Like we are going to make policy work for you. We are going to make sure that you're getting the tax breaks. We are going to make sure that for your skilling, we are subsidizing for your people to go and get the skills from wherever so that they can come and build locally. So As always, my name is Jenga Hakina, and I am so happy to have had this experience. We have to start somewhere. Africans can build. Kenyans are building. So why not replicate this across? Should we have a collaboration between countries, African countries, where we can say Kenya produces this component, batteries for instance, Rwanda produces the bodies, Uganda produces the seats, others produce whatever. And then we can say that we can benefit from the electric vehicle value chain in Africa. Remember, we have the resources. We do not refine them yet. All of these are going to be refined elsewhere. And so they come back to us as finished products. And what this means is that the cost goes higher. But imagine if this can be done. So far, whatever has been done, whether it's 10, 20, 30%, whatever has been done locally, imagine if we scaled that and said, Zimbabwe, refine your lithium. DRC, refine your cobalt. And then we say we are going to put up our batteries. It would be an amazing thing. So looking forward to seeing you again soon.